It is accessible in the official Firework Technician If I Run You Run shirt. Quite a lot of shades of gray and inexperienced, which can be utilized to create a solid color calendar or a checkered sample of containers. In order for you to have some larger or better looking containers, photograph storage containers and cigar containers work simply as properly. Better of all, they give the impression of the official Official Firework Technician If I Run You Run shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie. Here is how one official Firework Technician If I Run You Run shirt can do it. Drill holes in a small board. Connect it to the pegboard. Then assemble the field onto the mounted piece. For instance, if the overall fee of $150,000 is 6%, then the client's agent takes house half, or $4,500. Study Pure House treatments to bolster your resistance to everything from the frequent chili to most cancers. You may not see them straight away, however, that makes a glimpse of those fascinating creatures of their pure habitat, all of the extra rewarding other products.